That's Linda Esparza. Oh, no problem. And probation, there are no applications?
There is, Your Honor.
Oh, there is?
Did-
Oh, why did somebody put NA on this?
Oh, I did those, because it was not turned in.
All right, just 1 second. Sorry about that. Let me double check.
Your Honor, are they not in there?
I'm looking.
I know I did the waiver. I'm not sure I did the application.
Okay. Well, we'll take care of it.
I apologize.
No problem.
It is a problem because they're recommending it. That scares me.
Yeah, no, let me see something. Yes. Yes. Thank you. We're going to have your client sign it if you don't have any objections.
No, Your Honor, there's an application on two, one ending in 3528 and one ending on 4436.
And so we'll have her sign it. And then I'm going to need you to come to court at some time when you're back in court and sign the part for you as well. Oh, no, you won't need to sign it. I'm sorry. So, Ms., those are applications for probation. That's just letting the court know that you want probation. Okay, you're welcome.
I'll put up the case information.
And Lauren.
I'll just add in your name and the case. I'm going to tell them to.
So probation, there are applications. I'm sorry, I have one more. All right, the court is calling 2026 CR 003528 and 2026 CR 004436. State versus Linda Ann Esparza. Can I have parties announced? And for the defense?
Eric DeWalt and I represent Mr. Esparza. I believe there's one more case, 2025 CC. Oh, no, there's a JSET case in there, but that's a county court case.
Yes. And are the applications for deferred adjudication, counsel, or no?
Straight probation, Your Honor.
All right. Counsel, have you received all the discovery in each of these cause numbers and reviewed them with your client?
I have, Your Honor, evidenced by my signature on the forms.
Right. In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mrs. Esparza, in each case, did you sign the application for community supervision? And in each case, did you review the document entitled indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictments?
I do, Your Honor.
State, and cause number ending in 28, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, we're proceeding on count 1, paragraph 280, paragraph 1.
No objections.
And in the cause number ending in 36, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Proceeding on count 1, leading count 2.
No objections.
All right. And each of those cause numbers, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? All right. And cause number 2H, you're charged with burglary of a habitation. That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine. And cause number ending in 36, y'all said you were proceeding on count 1?
Yes.
Okay. You're charged with theft of property, $2,500 to $30,000 as a state jail felony. I'm sorry. They're going on authorized use, right? Because you said there's count 1 and there's count 2. And I think on that one, you're proceeding on, let me see. That's the one where you're proceeding on count 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So under that cause number, according to the indictment, count 1 is theft of property, $2,500 to $30,000. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility. and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, I don't have to follow your plea. If I don't and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering these pleas, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers? Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mrs. Esparza, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into either of these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it? All right. In each of the cause numbers, the state is recommending community supervision. These cases are to run concurrently, and they're also to run concurrently with 2025 CC 016789 and the state will take in consideration 2026 CR 003579 and 2026 CR 003578. And in the cause number ending in 28, they're asking that your punishment be assessed at 5 years in the prison and $1,000 fine. And in the cause number ending in 36, they're asking that your punishment be assessed at 2 years in the state jail facility. Did you understand that to be your pleas? Defense and state, is that the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, are there 3 cases taken into consideration?
No, I only have,
There were two, I guess I forgot to put one on, but you've given us.
yes, I've given the dismissals on 3. And I'm just reading what's in the paperwork though.
Okay. One was probably dismissed outright, but it's 7-6, 7-8, and 7-9.
Correct.
In each of the cause numbers, did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, in the cause number ending in 28, they're asking that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. And the cause number ending in 36, they're asking that your community supervision be for a term of 4 years. 100 hours community service restitution, the TAP evaluation, felony theft course, regular UAs, DOEP course, cognitive behavior course, and then there's to be no contact with the following. And Sydney, I know you got it right. All right. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then in each cause number, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor, state offer states exhibit 1 in all attachments under both causes.
We've had an opportunity to go over that, Your Honor. No objections.
All right. And state, have you spoken with the complainants? All right. Thank you. May be excused. In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay. Oh, that's okay. All right, and cause number 2026 CR 003528. The court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty Are you proceeding with sentencing in that cause number, counsel?
Your Honor, may I ask the court's discretion? I asked to submit a letter to you, and yes, I'm ready to go to sentencing if I can address that letter.
Yes, and I have the letters from Victory Recovery Homes, correct?
Are you aware of that place?
Yes, I am.
I was told you were. Okay, thank you.
Okay. All right, thank you. All right, so in that cause number, as previously stated, the court is going to find you guilty. And I'm so sorry, one thing I'm sure, will they pick her up?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
I'm not sure, but she still has the county court case that I have to go close that one out. So I've been in contact with Pastor Gregory Sentmore. Are you aware of who that is? He says he
Yes,
knows you.
and usually they will pick them up, but I haven't talked to them in months, and so I don't know if anything's have changed with that, because sometimes funding changes and everything.
Correct. I can check with him and I can let you know Monday morning.
Okay, all right, so in that cause number, the court will sentence you to 5 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 5 years. Probation, she's to remain in custody.
Sorry, which cause number?
Oh, that's okay. It's 2026 CR 003528.
Okay, thank you.
All right, she's to remain in custody until transfer to Victory Homes International. And if for some reason they're not going to transport her, just let me know, counsel.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Miss Abrams, do you have a copy of the letter?
No, no.
Could you send that to Ms. Abrams, please? There's $1,000 fine. That will be probated.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client ever been diagnosed, or this was drug induced?
She has not been diagnosed.
Have you ever had any type of mental health diagnosis?
No.
All right. Have you ever been prescribed any type of medications?
No.
Do you have any family here?
Yes.
Okay, who's your support system?
My mom and my son.
Okay,
They're both in the courtroom, Your Honor.
all right, thank you. Where's the mom in the mom? Has she, oh, mom, if you would come forward briefly.
Man, over here, you're back against the counter.
Ah. Hello. Hi, I'm gonna order her to go to the Victory Homes International, but I want to make sure that's the appropriate placement.
I agree with that too.
Okay. Has she ever had any mental health issues before?
Yes.
Okay,
It's always too heavy.
all right.
She was
Had-
denied.
Has she ever been diagnosed with anything?
Well, no, she never did get diagnosed, but me as a parent could see it.
All right, so what we're gonna do is, counsel, and I hope you have no objections that I'm not taking her under oath.
No, I'm fine, Your Honor.
Okay. We're gonna have her transferred to Victory Homes, and we'll do, Ms. Abrams, can we do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services? And we'll do a referral for Center for Healthcare Services, and they'll let us know if there are some issues. And if they are, we'll take care of it and address it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Oh, God bless you too. So we'll do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. This is the run concurrent with 2025 CC 016789 and 2026 CR 00436, and taking consideration 2026 CR 003579 and 2026 CR 003578. And was there another taken into consideration, counsel?
Your Honor, I believe the 2026 CR 003576 was just dismissed outright. I think you have 3 dismissals there.
Okay, and I have signed all the dismissals.
Okay.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs. We'll do a TAP evaluation out of custody. And we can do a referral to felony drug court. Because if there's a mental health issue, they can do dual diagnosis with her as well. And what I can tell you, if you're accepted in a felony drug court, they'll let you stay at the Victory House International because they worked with them before, okay? And there's to be 100 hours of community service restitution. Ms. Abrams, if she completes the cognitive behavioral course, then the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. I don't know if this is cognitive or if it's drug induced or mental health. There's to be no contact with the previous persons mentioned. And there is to be proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, and no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else? Yes. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court?
No.
And that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, next we're going to proceed in 2026 CR 00436.
4436.
Okay, thank you, counsel. And that cause number, the court is finding you guilty. The court will sentence you to 2 years in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 4 years. You to remain in custody until transferred to Victory Homes International. There's a $1,000 fine probated. This will run concurrent with 2026 CR 0033528 and 2025 CC 016789. Taking consideration 2026 CR 003576, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, TAP evaluation out of custody, referral to felony drug court, 100 hours community service restitution, 100 hours will be deducted upon completion of the cognitive and behavioral course. There is to be no unsupervised contact with minors, field visits 1 time per month for 6 months, proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. And there's to be no contact with the previous persons mentioned. All right, in that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Make sure you stay in contact with probation. If there are any issues, let them know about it. And well, just be honest, okay, with any evaluations that are done, because our goal here, and my goal is to get you the help that you need, okay? All right, good luck to you.
Your Honor, if I may, can I ask the state to write a note to County Court 15 about the last case number? just what their intentions were.
I already did.
She said she already has.
I heard that.
All righty.
Have a seat, ma'am.
Your Honor, thank you very much. May I be excused?
Main heading, Court Files. Main message, experience real courtroom justice unfold. From sentencing hearings and judge rulings to shocking true crime cases, Court Files brings you authentic courtroom moments. Call to action. Subscribe. Turn on notifications. Bottom categories, real cases, judge rulings, sentencing hearings, true crime.